In this tutorial, you will see how easy it is to create subtotals in a list. We have a mock employee list here, and what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to click in cell D6 and I'm going to sort this. I'm going to go to the Data tab and I'm just going to do A through Z, and that way we have sorted all of our departments. I next want to get subtotals for each department for salaries. The way you would do that is I'm still on the Data tab. I'm going over here in the Outline group and I'm going to click on Subtotal. Here's the Subtotal dialog box. And in the first one it says that each change in, and I'm going to click on the drop arrow, all of the field headings are listed here. At each change in department, use the function and we want a sum for salary. So I'm going to deselect raise and click on salary. I'm going to click on OK, and instantly you have that information. Now it did put it in outline mode. There are a couple of ways that you can use this. You can collapse it, that's level 1 with the grand total, level 2 with the subtotals, and level 3 with the full list. Of course, you can collapse by clicking on the minus sign as well, plus sign to expand. I also want to show you that you can use multiple functions in using this feature. I'm going to go back and click on subtotal, and we're going to leave it as department. This time, instead of the sum function, I want an average. So I'm not going to change anything here, but do pay attention to this because the way it is currently, it says replace current subtotals. If I were to click on OK, it would just replace it with the average. But I want both a sum and the average. So I'm going to take that check mark out. This allows you to do multiple functions. And I'm clicking on OK. There it is. I'm going to scroll down. You have the grand average and the grand total here. Now, if you want to know how to remove that, you'll want to go back into Subtotal, and you have an option to remove all. I'm going to leave it as is.